How to remove suggested contacts on Messenger permanently. This tutorial shows you how to get rid of the suggested people that appear at the top of your Messenger inbox on your Android device. First, open your home screen and long press on the Messenger app icon. After that, tap on App Info to open the app details. From there, tap on Storage to open the storage settings. At this point, tap on Clear Data to completely wipe all the app data stored on your device. In the next step, a confirmation prompt will appear warning you that all app data will be removed. Tap OK or Delete to confirm. Following this, wait a few seconds for the data to be fully cleared. Once done, go back to your home screen and open Messenger again. From here, you'll be taken to the login screen since clearing data signs you out completely. At this stage, enter your Facebook email and password to log back into your account. Finally, once you're logged back in, you'll notice that the suggested contacts that were previously showing at the top of your inbox are now gone. And that's it. If this Messenger guide helped you remove suggested contacts from your inbox, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.